N.I.P.
On platinum motorcycles, Honda. Make all the mommies wanna get it on and poppin' like it's Hotel Rwanda. In my pipe, carbon fiber. You better grab your diaper. If my bitch get the roaring, you might shit in your drawers. It's 2 fingers on the clutch, middle finger to the laws. We screaming on niggas, beaming on niggas. Yeah, my third eye lit up. New Nikes when I shipped up. Now give me room and watch me pick my front wheel up. Yeah, and you ain't fucking with my posse. Cause all my niggas lean like Valentino Rossi. If it's track and street, y'all boys will get beat. Your boys came to play, my boys came to eat. Yeah, and you can catch me at the meet and greet with my nigga Matt, my nigga Alex and VIP. Woo! But you know we came 100 deep, kings of the motherfucking South. Who run the streets?
Tell me what you're riding for. Tell me what you're riding for. Yeah, what you riding for? Tell me what you're riding for. Tell me what you're riding for. Tell me what you're riding for. What you riding for? Tell me what you riding for.
Plexiglass and diamond ice. You ain't riding platinum, homie, you ain't riding right. Or you got custom parts, that's extra nice. But my niggas got custom bikes. Now what you know about a one-off? Yeah, what you know about an air ride? What you know about a platinum glow? If it got a crown on it, homie, it's gon' steal the show. Yeah, it's that first place winner shit. If it ain't finished yet. Custom maps on the dyno, pearl white powder coat, call it albino. Now tell them haters take a deep breath, cause we pulling up on shit they never seen yet. What you know about plexiglass rear sets? We the kings of the South, the Texas best.
Tell me what you're riding for. Tell me what you're riding for. Yeah, what you riding for? Tell me what you're riding for. Tell me what you're riding for. Tell me what you're riding for. What you riding for? Tell me what you riding for.
You can't compete with niggas you can't beat. Black CBRs, tequila monster seats, and my boy VIP. Stay with a bad booster. The tire on the back bigger than the Mini Cooper. My nigga Matt make a chopper out of scrap metal. Sandblast the plexiglass and let the dust settle. My homie Alex all one on that 330. And that motherfucker light up like Times Square. If it ain't platinum, boy, then it don't compare. That's why your girl looking at us with a long stare. Yeah, and I know she like it loud and rough, so I rolled a fat Dutch and let her give me power puff. The platinum crown turn a lame into a pure hater. All my homies riding ostrich and alligator. But it ain't nothing to a king. Now kneel and kiss the motherfucking ring.
Tell me what you're riding for. Tell me what you're riding for. Yeah, what you riding for? Tell me what you riding for. Tell me what you're riding for. Tell me what you're riding for. What you riding for? Tell me what you riding for.